The Hillsborough County Community Action Board is instrumental in ensuring the proper disbursement of community services block grants and other sources of funds for programs that provide assistance to residents facing economic distress. Consisting of representatives from the Hillsborough County Board of County Commissioners and the cities of Tampa, Plant City, and Temple Terrace, the Community Action Board has been exemplary in working alongside members who advocate on behalf of low-income residents, as well as representatives of organizations interested in providing social services. I am happy to present this proclamation to Mr. Henderson, declaring May 2022 as Community Action Month. Community service block grant funds and programs that serve residents in, I'm going to go ahead and read the proclamation. Whereas community action agencies have been fighting poverty since 1964, when they were created as part of the United States Economic Opportunity Act, and whereas these agencies put a human face on poverty, help residents with lower incomes become self-sufficient, uplift neighborhoods, and ensure all people are able to live with dignity, and whereas community action agencies are working with the state of Florida to help guide reform of the welfare system, a partnership that enhances both entities and benefits Hillsborough County residents, and whereas these agencies contribute to Hillsborough County's most vulnerable individuals and families by providing cost-effective programs that have a profound impact on people's lives, and whereas the Hillsborough County Community Action Board guides the development, implementation, and evaluation of community service block grant funds and programs that serve residents and communities in need. And whereas the Hillsborough County Community Action Board meets regularly and serves as a fiduciary advisory board that makes recommendations based on input from residents as a guide to voice the needs of their communities, and whereas with the support of its Community Action Board, Hillsborough County promotes economic prosperity by providing opportunities for residents in need. And now, therefore, be it proclaimed that the Board of County Commissioners of Hillsborough County, Florida, does hereby declare May 2022 as Community Action Month in Hillsborough County, and urges all residents to recognize the Hillsborough County Community Action Board's efforts to improve quality of life and enhance economic opportunities for the region's most vulnerable residents. This is executed this 18th day of May 2022, and it is signed by all 7 county commissioners, and I would like to invite you to say a couple of words.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you, Commissioner Cohen. As he said, my name is Joey Henderson. I'm the chairman of the board for the Community Action Board, endearingly known as the CAB. And in addition to the staff here today, joining me is my colleague, Mr. Wong, who represents your office, Commissioner Cohen, on the board. Let's see here. Also, I want to thank, in his absentia, Commissioner Hagan, and allowing me to represent his office for the past several years. On behalf of the Community Action Board, thank you, Commissioner Cohen and the Board of County Commissioners, for taking the time to recognize Community Action Month. With over 1,000 action agencies, community action agencies and boards throughout the United States and in Puerto Rico, our purpose is to promote self-sufficiency and not dependency. Community action originated with the passage of the Economic Opportunities Act in 1964 as part of President Lyndon B. Johnson's war on poverty. This ambitious purpose of the statute was to mobilize human and financial resources to combat poverty in the United States. And as the Community Action Board works hand in hand with the committed and capable staff of the Hillsborough County Social Services Department, we endeavor to wisely and effectively use the community services block grant funds to help those in greatest of need to reach self-sufficiency. Thank you again for recognizing Community Action Month, and I'd like to turn it over to our Director of our Social Services Department, Ms. Audrey Ziegler.
Thank you. Thank you and good morning. Each May during Community Action Month, we reflect on the impact our community services block grant funding and our Community Action Board has on individuals and families here in Hillsborough County. Community action changes people's lives, embodies the spirit of hope, improves communities, and makes America a better place to live. We care about the entire community, and we are dedicated to helping people help themselves and each other. I'm proud of the social services staff and the Community Action Board for the services and programs we continue to offer residents who face barriers to self-sufficiency. You'll see a little further in today's agenda, we'll be providing our annual update to the board on how the grant performed the last grant cycle, along with a few success stories, and I know you'll be proud. Thank you so much to Commissioner Cohen and the full Board of County Commissioners for recognizing May as Community Action Month for your ongoing support. Thank you.